Chapter 5. Ask, don't attack. The art of the question that cuts without wounding. Welcome back, kindred spirits, to the Chill Stoic. In this space of stillness and strength, we don't chase noise, we seek meaning. And today we step into one of the most underrated powers in human connection, the quiet strength of a well-placed question. Because sometimes the sharpest sword doesn't slash, it slices gently, with silence at its edge and truth folded in its curve. That sword is a question. We live in a world that rushes to speak, to accuse, to react. But there is a deeper wisdom, often overlooked. You don't have to raise your voice to raise the level of the room. You only need to ask the right question at the right moment. Manipulators expect your emotion. They prepare for your explosion. They count on your unraveling. But what they don't anticipate is your stillness, your curiosity, your refusal to attack. Instead of, "Why did you lie to me?" try, "What made you feel that lying was your best option?" Instead of saying, "You clearly don't care," ask, "What do you think it says when someone causes pain and never acknowledges it?" These questions shift the entire dynamic. They remove the drama. They force the other person to face themselves, not because you pushed, but because you paused. A strategic question is not a plea. It's not a trap. It's a mirror, delivered calmly, carefully, and with clarity. It doesn't aim to break the other person. It simply aims to reveal what they may not be willing to say out loud. And in doing so, it reminds you that you're not here to beg, chase, or collapse. You're here to see. And if there's nothing to see, you're ready to walk away with clarity, not confusion. The Stoics understood this power. Seneca once wrote, "The greatest remedy for anger is delay." And we add, "The greatest test of character is how someone responds to truth that doesn't scream." Because when you ask without attacking, when you observe without needing to win, you become unshakable. You stop seeking revenge and start seeking revelation. And truth, once revealed, either invites reconciliation or grants you release. Let's make this real. Imagine someone ghosts you after a heavy fallout. Weeks pass, then suddenly they message you like nothing ever happened. You could rage, you could ignore, or you could reply with calm, "Before we talk about anything else, I need to ask, when we went silent, did you ever consider how that might have felt for me?" That's not drama. That's dignity. If they dodge, you learn. If they react with anger, you learn. If they respond with depth, maybe there's space to rebuild. But either way, you've already won because you've chosen peace over performance. The most powerful questions are not asked to change the other person, they're asked to reveal them. And when someone shows you who they are through silence, deflection, or blame, you don't argue, you observe. You honor the truth. Then you choose yourself. Ask, don't attack. Because questions bring clarity, and clarity without chaos is the signature of someone who's healed. So the next time you feel the urge to raise your voice, raise a question instead. The kind that doesn't beg to be answered. The kind that quietly echoes in someone's mind long after you've left the room. If this stirred something in you, if it whispered to the quiet power you've been holding back, then walk with us. Here, at the Chill Stoic, we don't run from silence. We sit with it. We learn from it. And we rise from it. One truth, one life lesson at a time. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and join us on this quiet journey towards strength, clarity, and a kind of freedom that no one can ever take from you.